Hi, folks. In this and the next few sessions, we're going to cover a topic, a third-party library called OpenPyXL. OpenPyXL is a very powerful third-party library that you can leverage to manipulate Excel files. In fact, we have learned OpenPyXL inherently. If we go back to our VS Code and look at one of our earlier projects called pandas underscore Excel file, here we use data frame pandas read Excel. So this method behind the scenes is basically pandas using OpenPyXL library to read data from Excel file. If you don't believe me, all you need to do is you can hit the control button on your keyboard and then single click this method, read Excel method, to look at pandas source code. The pandas source code here for this method read Excel file, and down here you see there's the engine, and within one of the engines you see OpenPyXL. So this is essentially how pandas is leveraging OpenPyXL to read data from Excel file. In other words, we have already learned it inherently. And one of the examples earlier we did when we read all the 3 months CSV files and concatenate all those 3 months data frames into one Q1 data frame, we print data frames in the terminal. And in this example, I just add another line of code here. I'm using pandas Q1 dot to Excel method to generate the Excel file Q1 Excel. And of course, I don't need to show the indexes because we're not dealing with data frames anymore. So I set index equals false. So I don't want to see the index column showing in the Excel file. With this, I can run this pandas to Excel method to create an Excel file here called Q1 Excel. And this is how easily to create Excel files from a data frame. And behind the scenes, again, pandas is using to Excel files method by leveraging OpenPyXL engine. So this method itself already included OpenPyXL. But we're not satisfied just for this, right? Because we can always create Excel files by using pandas because we may not need to. This is why I create a series of courses to teach you how to use standalone OpenPyXL for your own use cases, even without using pandas. And please, for each of the code examples, practice those code examples in your VS Code so you can learn all aspects of OpenPyXL in the next few sessions. And this is going to help you a lot to systematically manipulate your Excel files. And this may come to your surprise. OpenPyXL doesn't require you to even have an Excel program installed on your machine. It doesn't even require you have a license. So you can essentially using OpenPyXL to edit and create the Excel file systematically without even having Excel installed. Thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you after the next few sessions to introduce you another Excel manipulation third-party library.